Eli's de-shedding me, Mr. B.
Eli's what?
De-shedding me.
He's shedding you?
Yes.
It's okay. Grooming is a sign of social advancement among primates. So that's allowed. It just means Eli is socially advanced. I mean, compared to, like, you know, a squirrel. Okay. Who remembers what we do first with polynomial long division?
Ask the math teacher for help.
Okay, that may work. Oh, God, don't write over there. It's going to be annoying. Let's see if the software will let me.
You know what, can I just move this in front of the thing?
Whatever you think will get a better shot.
Because the glare is terrible.
Okay. Set it right on top of the projector.
Cody, I found the,
You did.
Okay, guys, now. Actually, can you stay behind the projector and line it up? So I'm glad we have all this on recorded.
And you can set it to that.
Yeah, Martha's gonna wonder.
Okay. All right. Okay, the first thing for polynomial long division is you need to figure out, just like regular long division, and God help you if you never understood regular long division, you need to figure out what you would multiply by x to get x cubed.
X squared.
or yeah,
Right idea. Okay. Multiply by x squared. Okay?
2x.
Now, then, what you have to do is multiply the x squared by the x plus 9. Okay, so after you only use the x to determine what to multiply by. And that told us you have to multiply x squared by x to get x cubed. But then you have to distribute the x squared to the x and the 9. So what will that get us?
I thought you were going to change the picture on your math.
Yeah, I'll get us x plus, or,
That is a different
no,
picture.
X plus 9x squared. Okay. That's what happens when you follow through. Kara, I'll address that some other time.
No, it is, Amy.
I'm on your website. It has changed.
Wait, Mr. Bello.
Okay.
Mr. Bello?
Yes.
I might have just missed this, but why did the 9 get an x squared?
Okay.
Because you took it from the other one.
Well, when you multiply, you use the x to determine that x squared is what you
Then you
multiply by.
multiply it again. Okay.
Yep, then you distribute it. You have to pretend that the x squared, x plus 9 is in parentheses. Then we subtract this. And the problem with this software at the moment is it doesn't line that up. So hang on, let me see if I can make this a little bit better for...
Doesn't like you.
It really doesn't. So let's see if this makes it a little less. All right, best I can do here.
It's in the same place it was.
Yeah, I'm noticing that.
It really doesn't matter.
Okay,
I'm
now.
pretty sure I know what you're trying to do.
All right, I'm glad somebody does. Okay, x cubed minus x cubed gets us 0. What about 2x squared minus positive or negative?
Positive.
Nope.
What?
2x squared minus 9x.
Oh.
You got to distribute the act of subtracting. That's why I was so determined to put parentheses in there, even though it looks like crap on the formatting. So this is minus 7x squared. Now, you ask yourself, okay, now we bring down the minus 57x.
Then everything becomes positive? No, that's, never mind.
All right.
Get to the next part.
Solve has become a random math fact generator. Okay, now we have to figure out what do you multiply, what could we possibly multiply x by in order to get negative 7x squared?
6x.
Nope.
Negative.
You're not adding, you're multiplying.
Negative 7x.
Oh my god.
Yes, multiply minus 7x. So that's going to be my next thing up here. Alright, so now I multiply minus 7x times x plus 9, and I'm going to get minus negative 7x squared.
Minus?
Yeah, you're subtracting it and it's negative.
Be a positive.
Pardon?
No.
It will be when I distribute. I mean, it would be if I distributed, but this way of writing it is how I. This helps me keep track of what's positive and what's negative.
6x is your answer for that.
Whoops. Yeah. What's 7 times 9?
63. Or 54.
63.
63. Oh my god.
63.
Oh.
Saul, you're like 0 for 5 this morning, buddy. You're usually much better at this. Okay. So that's going to be a 0, and then it's going to be plus 6x. Dean has already figured out. Okay, now what can you multiply? Okay, first let's bring down the plus 57. All right, and then what can you multiply x by to get 6x? Now we're trying to get this x lined up with this 6x plus 6.
Mr. Valdez and Gus
Okay. So that's plus 6 up there. And then when we multiply,
So remainder of 3.
okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. I think you're right. So now we're going to get 6x plus how much? What's 6 times 9?
54.
Is Dean right? You guys double
Yes,
check
Dean
him?
is right. For once.
For once, he's usually pretty good. Okay.
Good at this stuff. The stuff we did more recently, no.
You were hating on the trig, as I recall.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, as Dean has said, this will get us a remainder of 3. I like the formatting on this. Give me a second to see what I can do with that.
Formatting doesn't like you either.
I'm kidding. I'm very aware of that. That was a little better. We can do that lines up a little better. And I can do that. Is that a little better?
About the top.
Yeah.
Top I can't do as much about. I don't think it's worth the time. But as long as this, I'm just hoping this will help you guys.
So wait, it's a remainder of 3.
Actually, this should go further over because you should see that the 57 was brought down. This should be under the 57. Yep, remainder of 3. You know what? This is not as good as it's going to get.
And do you write the remainder of 3 is like 3, what's it called? Square root x plus 9? What is that? I got the remainder again.
The remainder goes over the denominator. So one way to write the answer would be, you could say that this equals x squared. Nope. Not plus. Eraser. So you could say that this goes x squared minus 7x plus 6 plus our remainder of 3 divided by x plus 9. Okay, the remainder always winds up over in a fraction over what you were dividing by. All right, and that's that becomes important in pre-calculus also.
Is this going to be on the exam?
Yep. That's why we're
So
doing
should
it.
we take most of the problems from our tests?
Yeah. I'm not gonna. I like them. I put them on the original test for a reason. So we'll put them on the final.
They like you too.
Okay. Now, synthetic division. The thing to remember by synthetic division, I'm not going to go out of my way to trick you on this on the final, but I want you to know this for your own mathematical edification, is, I did, is synthetic division only works if you're dividing by x plus or minus a number. It only works if you're dividing by x plus or minus a number. If this were x squared plus 5, you could do polynomial long division, but not synthetic division. As for x cubed plus 5, you could do polynomial long division, but not synthetic division. Synthetic division only works if you're dividing by a first degree term there. And it's got to be positive x, too. A lot of tricks to that. Okay, synthetic division looks like... Anybody remember what the first trick is on the x plus 5?
Something.
Something. Good.
No, don't you like...
You put it.
Oh my god, why am I blanking on the easiest thing?
I know.
It was like the easiest thing we did this semester.
The little grid thingy.
Pardon?
Yes,
Brain.
you put the x minus, whatever it is, x plus 5 on the longer
just put the
side of
number.
thing.
All right, but what do we have to do with the plus 5? You're strict to that.
Like, you have to say minus 5.
You have to say minus 5.
Oh, right, actually.
It's counterintuitive.
Yeah, this one's counterintuitive. Good. Ah. You know what? You have to do it inside the math type software. Let's see if I can... Yep, minus 5.